Lamar here from Iman Designs, and I'm back with another video. So this is part 2 of my patio balcony renovation. My items that I ordered came in early, so like I was super excited. So we're gonna start building them now. Got my table, I got my couch, so things are moving. So let's get into it. Guys, so Ben built our barbecues. It's super nice. We got it from Walmart, and it's a 3 grill, super cute, not overly big, very cute and classy. And then the pièce de résistance, we got our table, and this is the couch. So we're gonna start building now. I'm super excited, and it's looking kind of gray outside, like we can hear thunder and stuff. YOLO. So let's go. Oh snap. So we got an all black table with this kind of like grayish wood. It looks kind of brown in the camera, but let's start building.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my passion. You took my heart and my sleeve and decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
Built, looking good. I'm thinking of pushing all of this a little bit back, like from here just to there. So we got a couple inches more, but I'm really loving it so far.
Against you, I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say?
This is a mini pillow it comes with. Isn't it so cute? It's like a little mini.
Say yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon Batman, tellement son hot gal. Your body son poison, lè ou move en slow motion. Bet it that way, fait nan gouya doum jwen potion. Lè ou work. Lè ou descend bi babli ba. Lè even bi dirt. Lè ou brasser yon tan kou yon oula. Baby, do the work.
To me I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, my
Got these super cute pillows. I love the color. It's very summer.
It's coming.
Okay guys, so this is the current state of our patio. I'm so excited. I love the way it's looking. We got our bar area, you know, so we can be city girls and feel like we're in the city at a bar. You know, it's trees, but it's okay, you know, have an imagination. And we got a little lounge area here. Still got to get our decoration, our lights, so I'm going to get the rocks to fill up the holes. But I'm really loving it. I like the green with the green. I like the brown, and then black, and then there's black. So it's vibing. So we still got to get decorations, like I said, rocks and other little details. So gonna continue doing that. This is a multiple day project, but I'm very excited the way it's coming about, and I'm very excited to just fully use it. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Let's go get some more things. Okay guys, so finally got some decorations. This is like a several days we've been trying to get these things done, but I got some decorations, so I'm gonna show you what I have. It's cute. A couple of these cute little lanterns. I thought they could be cute, and they light up, so got batteries. So cute, aren't they? I got a couple of these little bushes. Aren't these so cute? With this nice little vase. I like the texture, and it's like a beigey color. It's super cute. Little flower. Got these little like cactus plants. There's a little bit of pink, you know, in it with some fluffs, and I like the texture of the actual vase or whatever it's called thing, the pot. Yeah. I got this little mushroom. It almost looks like a mushroom like mine. This little mushroom bug mosquito candle. So it's really heavy, but it's so cute. It's like glowing in the camera. Okay. And I got this nice plant. This plant was really cute. Little full plant. Got some little rocks on the inside, and so I'm gonna put this somewhere. Isn't this cute? This is like a little flower container, I guess you can call it. It says fleurs et jardin. That means flower and garden. So it's a cute little thing. I think I'm gonna put the plant I showed you guys in it, put some paper in it, give it some height. And finally we got some rocks. So gonna do all this decorating now and gonna see how that goes. So let's get this done. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I'm actually super excited. These are the rocks. They're like this white kind of grainy marble look. So I think it's looking very cute. I'm gonna start doing the deck and like adding like the different plants that we got, and then show you guys what it looks like. It started to rain, so we gotta get a move on. Okay. We're done. Hopefully you can hear me. It's very windy. I finished, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Might change and add or move a couple things, but to date it's done. I'm very happy with it, and I think it looks super cute. So let's get to the review.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, drink to make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, drink to make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop.
Okay guys, so I'm done. So I hope you guys like it. I'm really happy with the final results. I think it's super cute. I really love the rocks. I think it brings everything together, and the little lamps that glow. So I'm really happy with all the greenery and the rocks, and I feel like it feels like a place you want to hang out in. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, to comment and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Everything goes, coming with that